Morning. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'll put the link in the description, and if I have time, I'll maybe add like the link in this video somewhere around this time. All targets hit, right? I basically said that we were going from, we were like way over here when I said that we were going to trend, which is like 556. And I did say that we're going to 564, which is actually mid trend here, right? So I can probably just clone this, honestly. So clone this, run this up to here. Oh, we'll do this. We'll clone this, run this up to there, and then drop this down. There you go. So you never actually hit mid trend here. So you came back down, retesting this middle of channel, right, which is this mid channel right here, and then you're probably going to push up to 564, 565, which is that trend, right? And again, you did close a bear day right here, but I am a little bit more bullish to the upside. I do want to see where we actually the hour is actually going to come back down. Oof. That's not good, especially because how weak it was, right? So you see here, the hour actually pushed up, got rejected, and it looks like you're going to be closing a hour bear trigger soon. So, and the 4 hour has not closed yet. Yeah, I wouldn't. The only way that he actually keep pushing up to 564 is if this 4 hour on the bull side actually closes above this mid trend, right? So what we can do is, I think what could happen is, I think it's actually gonna be what I had in the beginning, right? So this is where we are. If we do actually keep coming down and you break this mid-channel trend, you're probably going to do something like this and then come down like that, or do something like that, right? That's what I can see as of right now. Again, in order for us to actually push to the upside and actually hit this 564, my guess is that you need to close a 4 hour bull trigger above this mid-channel right here, this mid-trend here, above this trend line, to come up to 565, right? That's really that simple, right? If you actually start breaking to the lower end, I think we're going all the way back down to like 548. Really, you might see us push down to like a 554 and then retest and come down, and there's your other target would be somewhere around 548, which again is definitely right here. Right here on trend, right? So that's what I'm looking for on SPY. Again, you need to close a 4 hour bull trigger above this in order for me to actually think we're going to 565, 564. So quick TA on SPY. I still think Bitcoin's kind of going to shit, right? We'll do some quick TA on Bitcoin. The 4 hour, the 24 hour. Yeah, 24 hours already dying. You know, I told you guys this actually needs to, you know, this is, I mean, it's just a regular range, right? This is not like anything. You're just trading sideways right now. You have been for a couple days. So, right, where's your support? There you go. Right, just all wicks to wicks. And again, this is just your range right now, right? You're kind of trading above that 50% retrace, but again, I would definitely guess, okay, I can actually go lower, actually. There we go. And then here, I'm gonna go as far up as I possibly can, hitting all the wicks. There you go. So that's what my guess is right now. I mean, you're staying above here, but ultimately, right? I think ultimately, I think your next target's gonna be anywhere between 48K to 50K, like right here, 50K, 59, right? That's what I'm looking for right now. And again, you're already pretty weak on the daily bear trigger, on the bull trigger, right? So this should have actually kept pushing to the upside. I'd definitely go short and run this all the way down to 48,710, right? But it was up to me. I would have shorted right here. I would have been short since 60K, or I would have been short since 63,290, right? I mean, there's pretty easy ways to be short, right? I would have been short since 64,923, but again, you would have had, you know, you would have held this for a little bit longer. Stops up here at highs at 74.5, right? You would have been short here by July 1st. You would have been short at 62,803, and again, this is just using the regular, you know, the regular bear triggers, right? It's really it for some simple swings, right? It's would have been super easy, right? or you would have been short here. You would have been short here at 70K basically, right? You would have been short at 70K June 6th, and your stops would have been at 72,205. I mean, it doesn't really get any easier than that, guys. Seriously. You can look at Tesla. Tesla, I told everybody to short all the way up here, right? But the reason I told everybody to short was because it was also a 4-hour trigger, right? 4-hour bear trigger. And not only that, right, I would have actually been short, right? Yeah, like I would have never have shorted right here or right here because I'm looking for a break on the lows, right? And again, this is what? This is the open of 26231. You close here at 262. I would have probably been short here, like at 256, right? Taking this all the way down. And target was right here. You actually, I think you already hit target. Yeah, so open target was 231.17. What was the low? 231.9. Yeah, no, I definitely short this. I would definitely go short here until a little bit lower until you hit 231. High is 231.41. The low is 231.90. Yeah, I definitely short. I would definitely guess that Tesla's going to come back a little bit lower. We'll see. But that's very, very, very close. You kind of have a head and shoulders there. A reverse head and shoulders. Yeah, never mind. You got really close to that high right there, to the target, right? So, yeah, if you're already in shorts, my guess is get the hell out at open. Because, you know, this can definitely just completely keep pushing towards the upside. And I mean, you have a regular, PD right here, which is just price divergence, right? So regular price divergence, you're probably gonna hit a trigger soon, right? And this might actually keep running to the upside. So Tesla actually looks kind of bullish now. The video, same thing with the video. The video looks bullish back to like a 136, right? And then also the dollar. I'm actually surprised the dollar kept dumping, to be honest. I thought it was going to go much, much higher. So it couldn't break this trend, see? Couldn't break that upper trend, that mid-channel trend, right? It kept rejecting off that level. And I can almost guarantee you I already know where it's going to go. There you go. So couldn't break that level. The dollar is probably headed to like 103.475. That's really it, right? After it broke this, right, it might retest back up a little bit, but I really doubt it. It looks like it has a lot of sell pressure. It's going down to 103, 103.4, somewhere around there. But yeah, that's it. I sold my Baba for 100% return. Currently in Chewy and Oxy. Chewy already hit my first target, right? So Chewy just hit my first target. Hit my target yesterday. Currently, it's right at target, so I might actually sell these at open, or I'll sell some and I'll leave runners, right? Because I still got like a month of time. And then for Oxy, I definitely think it's gonna push to at least a 62.27, right? So I'll probably leave a bunch of these open. I still got time, right? So I'm gonna leave these open for a while. I'm not really planning on selling these, and it's still pushing towards the upside. So there's no reason for me to sell. Right now, I'm just gonna be looking for something else to get in because I'm gonna have to get out of Chewy, and I'll just leave like I might get out like half position and leave like runners or something. So, but we'll see. But yeah, that's basically it. SPY, I think for the most part is gonna do what I said, right? As long as you get a 4-hour bull trigger, right, long to the upside. If you actually break to the low side, then this is probably going to come all the way back down, somewhere to like a 548 is my guess. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.